Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Shop with me today. I'm going to show you what my Dollar Tree has for gardening. I know every Dollar Tree doesn't put their items on the shelves at the same time, so let's see what they have here. Anyway, I got bored of winter, so I wanted to see some spring related items. There are some planters over here, bunch of different colors, and these are all plastic by the way. Actually, there are three planters that took my attention, like this one, the silver color one, and also the copper one. Of course, these are plastic, and there are some small ones at the top shelf. Okay, let's move to the fun spot over here. There are a lot of frogs in my Dollar Tree, and I believe there were four kinds of these. Okay, there are some clays over here. This one says bless this garden. These ones don't have a hanger, but you can easily make those. There were some gnomes, and there were only three colors left in my Dollar Tree. Wow, I was surprised. My Dollar Tree finally has this tin planters. One of them is in English, the other one is in, I believe, French. And it says flowers and garden. I saw this all over online everybody has it, but I couldn't get it because the $2 close to me didn't have any of those, so I'm happy here and I got two of those. And I'm going to show different kinds later too. And there's over here plastic fence. It's not a nice quality, but you can definitely use it for your DIYs if you need. And this is the kneeling pad. You can use this in the garden when you kneel down, but for me it is too small. I mean, at least for my knees. I found a little bit small, so I didn't get it. It wasn't useful for me. Finally, my Dollar Tree has this terrarium planters I never seen before in my Dollar Tree, so I'm so happy to see those. And if you need small planters, there are smaller ones too. And these are plastic, of course. So I'm moving on and I see some cute stuff. The welcome, hope, welcome to our garden sunshine, laughter, friends are always welcome. And there are some hummingbird bird feeder. These are so cute. And more gardening items for your plants. I think this is called trellis. I hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong. And there's more different kinds over here. And there are some hooks over there. And there are hummingbird nectar. And these are some tools for gardening. And this is a flower pot hugger figurine. Isn't that so cute? An owl and a bear. And the other one was a bee and a turtle. These are so cute. And more clay decors to hang in your garden or even in your house. Friends are the flowers in the garden of life. It's a cute one. And there are some garden stakes. Colorful butterflies. Some sun over here. And butterfly and frog, and they also had flower. And this is the twist tie with cutter if you need. Dollar Tree has them to package. And this one is a flexible tie. You can make wreath with those flexible ties. And these are for hanging the planters. I don't know how strong they are. And there are some more tools for gardening. Some floral scissors. This is metal hanging plant bracket. If you need any, Dollar Tree has them too. And I saw some bamboo wind chimes over here, and they look nice, but they can be pretty annoying at the same time. So yeah, Dollar Tree has two colors of these, by the way. There are more wind chimes, butterflies small with the hanger. Oh, there's a garden flag. This is a welcome sign. My camera is trying to focus. Yep, it did focus. Good. Yep. And there are more wind chimes. I don't know. There are a lot of wind chimes in my Dollar Tree, like the bug wind chime. And there's a welcome sign over here. This is so cute. You can do a lot of DIYs with these, guys. And more tin planters. Yeah, I was so happy to see them in my Dollar Tree finally. And they had three versions. And this one was a little bit larger and shorter. And these ones are little bit longer. More wind chimes at the back. Look at this. Yep, a frog. I'm not a fan of frogs. I don't know. Just not me. I prefer butterflies at least. Yes, more frog. There's some wind twisters over here. And in this section there were flower seeds. There were some for sunny area and for shade areas. And also this one is called semi-dwarf Camellia mixed colors, it says on it. And bird and butterfly. Let me know if these are any good. There were some grow kits, strawberry and tomato over here. Let me know if anyone tried one of these before. These are seed starters. I don't think you need to buy these to start your seeds. You can do it at home with egg cartons. And there were some soils over here for $1. Okay, more planters over here. And there are some small clay ones. And these are plant labels. These are so cute and you can do a lot of DIYs with those. And some garden gloves. There were a lot of kinds in my store. Surprisingly. More seeds for flowers for $1. Daisies, and these are some vegetables. Garden bean and tomatoes and peppers. Spanish variety, okay. Oregano, ideal for containers, it says. Unfortunately, I don't have a garden. I mean, I live in an apartment, so I just have a small patio. If you're still watching my video, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So, see you next time!